Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let me show you how I made the soup.
So I have my fish and my meat and my stockfish. They are all washed. I'm using tilapia fish and I have meat here. I'm going to be seasoning half pepper and I have stock cube. So I have snail. They are dried snails. So I'm going to be adding it now because I have fish and I want I have meat and I want the meat to get cooked. I'm going to add water. So I'm going to let it cook. Blending my pepper now. So I have my pepper and my ginger. So I'm going to be adding onion and you need plenty onion. And I'm going to be adding tatasi. That's paprika pepper. This one is not pepperish. All you need to do is remove the seed. And I'm going to be adding tomato into it too. If you don't want tomato, it's optional. Okay. So I'm going to add a little water just to blend it. So this is the melon. I washed the melon. It's necessary to wash your melon if you can. And I'm using prawns. You can see I'm also going to be using crayfish. So this is from the tomato and pepper that I blended. So let me get it blended. So the fish is cooked. I've taken out the fish and the meat and the stockfish is still on the stove cooking because that one will certainly take a longer time. So in a dry pot, we're going to add oil. So we're going to add our pepper blend. When you what? So we're going to cover and allow it to cook until the water dries out. So we're going to put our egusi. So when we're done putting, we're going to cover and allow it to cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. If you feel it is burning, you shake, but do not stir. So at this point, you're going to season to taste, add your salt if needed, just check. So I'm adding my periwinkle now because the periwinkle is dried, and I'm also going to be adding dry bitter leaf. Okay, at this point because they are all dried. So
It smells.
Thank you.
We're going to cook for a few more minutes and the soup is ready. Please do well to subscribe and follow me on this channel. See you in my next video. Mwah.